podcast. It's Suzanne Mosley with PaperPie. You can find me on Facebook and YouTube at Suzanne Shares Books. I'm on Instagram, Suzanne_shares. And my website is SuzanneSharesBooks.com. So it's May, and I am updating, as I typically do, my classical conversations videos on my YouTube channel. So check out the playlists on my channel. Click on Classical Conversations / homeschooling, and you'll see my updated videos for CC Cycle 1. If you don't do CC, that's okay. A lot of these are excellent for anyone who homeschools, or if you just have a kiddo that's very, very fascinated with all the things. So I wanted to make a video I've never made before to show you how you can use so many of our PaperPie resources for lots of different subjects. I'm going to specifically focus in on Cycle 1 of Classical Conversations, but you can do this. You can integrate with so many of our books no matter what you're studying. So this year with Cycle 1, we do ancient history, we do vertebrates, invertebrates, we do classification of living things, we do each continent's highest mountain, we do geography to learn the continents, so many cool things. So one thing that you can do that I love, our geography encyclopedia is a great reference. So it highlights all the different continents of the world. It also has the first section that is all about earth science. So that's what we do second semester. We do volcanoes, we do rocks and minerals. All of that is in this one book, which is amazing. We also do vertebrates and invertebrates. I love this book. We use it for everything. We even read it aloud. World of Animals. It's divided into the continents of the world. The photography is amazing. Sometimes I just stare at the pictures. So it shows you, it's divided into the different continents, and it shows you animals that live on that continent. So what a great way to go through. What are vertebrates? What are invertebrates? And which continent is this? Can we find the continent on the map? So this is a book that lends itself to all of that dialogue, all of that conversation together. We also do each continent's highest mountain, and who doesn't love Bear Grylls? In our book from PaperPie Epic Climbs, it goes through journeys that he has on some of the highest mountain peaks on Earth. And Denali is featured, as well as Mount Everest, which are two of the continent's highest mountains out of all of the continents of the world, which is one of our science questions this year. So you could even read that to go along with that, and then they could find it on the map. Hey, which continent is that? And where is that on the map? Let's find it. Or if you have a kiddo that just enjoys, I call it narrative nonfiction, this is so fun to learn about Antarctica, 24 hours in Antarctica. Oh, there, I spy an invertebrate. What a fun way to learn about what life is like there, how people can live there that are scientists doing research. So just a fun way to learn more about Antarctica. Or who doesn't love a good puzzle like me? This is great for Cycle 1, Cities of the World. It's literally a puzzle of the entire world. It's an atlas, and then 300 pieces. And then it comes with this fun book. So as you assemble the pieces, you can find the cities on the map, and you can read more about each one or the landmarks visible on the puzzle. So know that when you're buying a book, maybe you're buying this for geography, know that you can use it for other things. You may be thinking of this only as a geography resource, but you can also use it to have conversations about invertebrates and vertebrates. And this one, you can take a deep dive into earth science as you also read more about what goes on in the people who live on the continent of South America. So I hope you enjoyed this glimpse into how you can integrate different resources from PaperPie into your homeschool day. Thanks, friends.